The credit crunch might be over, but that doesn't mean we're going back to the good old days. Far from it. The Fair Isaac Company, who created the FICO scoring method, has also been forced back to the drawing board. This is the year that they and their willing accomplices at the big banks will be implementing their new credit scoring system, FICO 08. And guess what? Your credit score is likely to go down. True, paying your bills on time is the best way to achieve a great FICO, but did you know that only accounts for 35% of your score? Even if you have no credit card debt and a great rate on your mortgage, your FICO score will determine the premiums you pay on homeowners insurance and vehicle insurance policies, and that's just the beginning. There are simple, legal, and very effective ways to deal with these changes, and education is the key. I'm George Anderson, a 20-year veteran of the mortgage industry and a certified continuing education instructor for the state of Utah. The information I want to share with you can put at least $100 back into your pocket every month, and for many of you, much more. Please take a look at the credit class summary in your email and get back with me on a time when you and your office would like this free presentation. This is the best way to give everyone a raise without tapping into your company budget.